What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I go by the name of John Alexander. In today's video, we got a new package alert. So we're gonna be unboxing the latest Yeezy release. You guys stay tuned for today's video. So this weekend, Saturday, June 15th, Adidas was supposed to release the Yeezy 700 Tephras, but everybody was shocked by a shock drop that they did on Tuesday morning. I think it dropped at like 11 o'clock. People got emails around noon. They were sold out instantly. I believe they sold out probably within like 1 minute. So let me know what y'all think about that. Is Adidas taking Nike's route, trying to do the hype thing by limited pairs? Let me know what y'all think. Personally, I'm a fan of what they're doing. I mean, if it's worked, why not? They're creating a hype. Like, people are hype beasts. All they care about is if a shoe is limited or not. Me personally, I just buy what I like. So I had to grab these Tephras. Like I said last time, guys, once I seen Ye rocking these on that Letterman Netflix show, they were a must cop. So I'm real excited to grab these. Pick this pair up off of we got this pair off StockX, y'all. So we got this early for the channel. This pair came from London, StockX London headquarters. So anytime you get a pair, if you know, anytime they're coming from London and they deliver for DHL, it's gonna come a lot quicker. So shout out to my DHL man. This package came to Florida from the UK in 2 days. So real hype to get into this, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna unbox this package right now for y'all. Stay right here. All right, y'all. So before we get into this unboxing, I haven't really seen many people with this sneaker. I haven't seen many images online either on feet. So if you missed the shock drop on Yeezy Supply, don't worry. They're still scheduled to release these on adidas.com Saturday, June 15th, and the drop time is scheduled for 10 a.m. So I'm super excited to grab these. So you guys are gonna see my reaction. So with this particular pair, again, we got these from StockX, so 100% authentic. And I decided to start sizing up now on my Yeezys. So guys, I've been rocking a 10.5, and we decided to go with the 11. Just cause they've been like, they fit like real snug, but I kind of like the way they look a little bigger. So we switched up to the size 11. So if you guys, we missed that part, official colorway, like all most recent Yeezy releases, it's just Tephra, Tephra, Tephra. Whew. These are heat. So here we have it, y'all. 700 V2s in the Tephra colorway. So in hand, guys, these Tephras are absolutely fire. So trying to give y'all a picture. I would say these are a must cop for any Yeezy fan. So they feature a gum bottom, which I'm a huge fan of. White boost, dark gray bottoms, sole, and then it goes to like a darker gray to lighter tones of gray all around the top. So right here on the sneaker, you've got suede going up to right here. And the fabric on here, I don't know how to describe it, but this is different than any other 700 V2 that they've released. So So it has a totally different canvas mesh material than we've ever seen before on a Yeezy. And no 3M laces. So let me know what y'all think. First impression, before we get these on feet, I'm gonna say these might be my second favorite pair of 700 V2s after these right here, the Statics, which resale on these is crazy. So we're happy to be able to get these for a good price. These are real dope. A lot of people weren't feeling these because of this sneaker right here, the Geode. But let me know what y'all think. I love these shoes. This is a dope colorway. So if I had to pick, I would go these first, second, third, and then fourth out of your 700 V2 colors. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, guys. Which are your favorite colors? Rank those in the comments below. Your feedback is really appreciated. We need to know. So again, I'm in love with these. Guys, let's go ahead and throw these on feet for y'all real quick. Alright y'all, so that's our watch before you buy the Yeezy 700 Tephra video. Shout out to everybody that stayed tuned throughout the entire video. Really appreciate the support. So guys, do me a favor, follow me on IG as well as subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed today's content. Our channel, we're doing men's fashion, Yeezys, early releases, anything that y'all want, just let me know. If you do subscribe and follow me, you guys are going to be entered into the chance for the giveaway. And what we're doing is the Supreme King of New York tee. So you guys are going to want to enter that giveaway. It's going to be at 2,000 subscribers. And that shirt's like a $50 value to show love and give back to all y'all. So again, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Are y'all going to cop these this weekend? Any of y'all were successful in the shock drop on Yeezy Supply? Again, those sold out in like a minute. So if you guys were lucky enough to be like just lurking Yeezy Supply and pick those up, you're real lucky. I don't know about stock numbers on these too. Like, there's rumored to be limited at first, but some people were saying they upped the stock. I mean, I don't know, it's crazy with the rumors. But regardless, I don't care, because I love this pair of sneakers. They're fire. And not only that, but yeah, these are dope. We're gonna do the how to style on these. A lot of dope fits. We still gotta drop the how to style for the Vantas. Y'all have been requesting that. Make sure you guys check out the how to style, the glow in the dark video that we dropped recently. A lot of just dope stuff coming up. I'm probably gonna pass up on those 350s. I'm trying not to buy any more 350s until they drop like the V3. We did cop the utility blacks. Hopefully those should be in sometime next week before the release date, so y'all can get an early look at the 700 V1s in the utility black colorway. Alright everybody, so we're gonna wrap up today's video. Again, thank you guys for watching. My name is John Alexander. Subscribe, and everybody, y'all have a blessed day, and I'm out.